6, one word to describe it, what would you call it?
Agony.
Agony, for you or just for everybody?
No, the story.
Just painful.
Painful.
It's just
Agony.
a little bit
Safety.
painful.
Sanctity. Place in the sun. Home. All those.
Would you say this is the most shocking season yet?
Yeah. By far. Yeah. It hits in a personal place. The other was like really. This is my beautiful wife Sherry, by the way.
Hey, how are you?
The other seasons, developed the growth and dissolution of kind of a nation, if you would, even though it's a motorcycle club. And now it's about everybody trying to pull up stakes and find their own place of safety.
Well, we've always had a hard time identifying exactly who are the good guys, who are the bad guys, who are we rooting for, who's our hero. Who would you describe as the hero of the show?
Well, the protagonist is definitely Jax, without a doubt. And you want Jax to have his place in the sun with his kids. He wants to get out of it. He was in it for the same things that his mother was.
And his dad.
No, his dad, now we know, last season, wanted out.
Yeah.
Wanted out of that. Wanted out of the horror of the deregulated, trickle-down, go-for-broke economics.
But he didn't know that in the beginning, but now
he does, and he realizes it's a transformation by knowing who his father was and who killed his father, that he wants out of it. That he wants something, maybe it's not dignified, but running legit prostitution, legitimate prostitution. It's certainly better than
profession in the book.
It's certainly it is.
Going back to Pompeii.
Going way back before that.
Yeah.
Way back before Pompeii.
So what are the odds of Clay making it through season 6?
No one's ever safe. It's like another show Peter was on. No one was ever safe.
No. No one's ever safe. No one is safe.
So he's got the noose around his neck then.
No, not necessarily.
He's a weaselly man.
He is busy, yeah.
All right, well, thank you for